Wouldn't it be great if you could make money just by clicking your mouse? Just think about how much money you might make by following a few simple make money online methods. If you have the financial freedom, you'd be able to take care of your family's needs, your own desires and requirements, whether it's a home, a car, or anything else. In this video, I show one of the simplest methods to earn money online, in which I teach you how to earn money just by clicks. So, stay till the end to see the whole thing. But first, please do subscribe and turn the notifications on, so you will get notified every time I post a new method to make money online. Now let's go. Yes, you can actually get paid a good amount of money just by clicking using your phone or computer. Then, in order to get started with this new strategy, you do not need any technical experience. Sound great? Right? Let's go. First, go to entireweb.com. It is similar to Google. You can go to this website to search for anything you want. However, since they're still in their infancy, they're paying anybody that generates traffic to the site. First, start by signing up as an affiliate and grab your unique link. You're going to earn up to 20 cents for every click. Imagine if you could get hundreds of people to use this search engine. So as a result, you will earn a great amount. And very simply, you can promote your link postings in internet forums, tweets, posting on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, or any social media platform you are using daily. You can cash out your earnings through PayPal. They also offer other payment methods. Sounds simple, right? And to underline, this method is accessible to anybody in the world. Also, please let me know you are from which country by commenting down below so that I can plan future videos specifically for your area. So let's start now, guys. Don't waste time, start earning now.